Vai, onde? Não, já filmei aqui, horário. 38. Tá chovendo.
Let's go to the park. I wanna kiss you underneath the stars. Maybe we'll go too far. We just don't care. We just don't care. We just don't care. You know I love it when you're loving me. Sometimes it's close and alone. Oh, we'll rendezvous out on the fire escape. I'd like to set off an alarm today. The love emergency, don't make me wait. Just follow, I'll lead you. I urgently need you. Oh, let's go to the park. I wanna kiss you underneath the stars. Go too far. We just don't care. We just don't care. We just don't. Let's make let's go somewhere they might discover. Let's get lost in lives. We just don't care. We just don't care. We just don't care. I see you closing down the restaurant. Let's sneak and do it gone. Everybody's leaving, we'll have some fun. Oh, maybe it's wrong, but you turning me on. Oh, we'll take a mama's house to the bedroom. Your mama's out. Maybe she'll hear it when we scream and shout. But we'll keep it rocking until she comes knocking. Oh, let's go to the park. I wanna kiss you underneath the stars. Maybe we'll go too far. We just don't care. We just don't care. We just don't. Let's make love. Let's might discover. Let's get lost. We just don't care. We just don't care. If we keep our ballers fooling around, we'll be the talk of the town. I'll tell the world of our love anytime. Let's open the blinds, 'cause we really go to the park. I wanna kiss you underneath the stars. Maybe we'll go too far. Yeah, we just don't care. We just don't love. Let's go somewhere they might discover. On a dark desert highway, cool wind in my hair, warm smell of colitas up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw a shimmering light. My head grew heavy and my sight grew dim. I had to stop for the night. There she stood in the doorway. I heard a mission bell. I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. Boys, remember, some dance to forget. So I called up the cat, please bring me my wine. He said, we haven't had that spirit since '69. And still those voices calling from far away wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Living it up at the Hotel California. paint on ice, and she said, we are all just prisoners here of our own device. And in the master's chambers they gathered for stab it with their steely knives, but they just can't kill the beast. Last thing I remember